In this video, I'll show you how to write emails with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a simple way to generate professional emails in just a few seconds. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to write an email. For example, I might type, "Write a professional email requesting a meeting with a client." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a complete email, including a greeting, the message content, and a closing. If I want to customize the email, I can ask Claude to change the tone, shorten the message, or make it more formal or friendly. For example, I might type, "Rewrite this email in a more friendly tone." Once the email looks good, I can copy the text and paste it into my email application. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to write an email. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.